I am David Prada, manager of the company Prada Nargesa. Our company is located in Palau de Santa Eulalia, a small village with 100 inhabitants in northeastern Spain, near Barcelona, in the province of Girona. We have facilities covering approximately 10,000 square meters, and we currently have a team of 45 employees. Prada Nargesa is a family-owned company founded in 1970, primarily dedicated to manufacturing machinery for working with metal, both cold and hot. In our facilities, raw materials enter on one side, and we process them until we achieve the final product. We have a research and development department that launches 2 or 3 new products to the market each year. Additionally, we export around 90% of our revenue. And in the past 5 years, we have shipped our machinery to 132 different countries. Our main market is the United States, followed by France and Spain, with Poland and Mexico also playing a significant role. We pride ourselves on our commitment to quality and close relationships with our customers, values that have allowed us to evolve and grow year after year to reach where we are today.